Walking with crutches can be a challenge. If your doctor recommends you don't put any weight on your injured or surgically repaired leg, stand with that leg off the ground. Bring your crutches slightly ahead of your stance foot. Placing weight through your hands via the hand grips of the crutches, hop to your crutches or through your crutches, depending on your ability, and repeat.
For toe-touch weight-bearing gait pattern, stand with your big toe down on your injured leg. Bring your crutches slightly ahead of your stance foot. Then bring your bad leg to the line of the crutches and land on your toe with most of your weight through your hands on the crutches. Finally, bring your good leg forward in line with the crutches, keeping your weight through your hands as you do this.
For a foot flat partial weight bearing pattern, take your injured leg and stand with your foot flat, but only place a small amount of weight through that leg, about 20 pounds. Bring your crutches slightly ahead of your stance foot, then bring your bad leg to the line of the crutches, landing on your full foot with most of your weight through your hands on your crutches. Finally, bring your good leg forward in line with the crutches, keeping your weight through the hands as you do this. As you improve, you can move your crutches and bad leg forward simultaneously, followed by the good leg.